Hey! You excited to see Daddy na? Yeah!
Kiss daddies.
Ayaw.
School, Baba? What did you do?
Na meron daw kaso na naka-file para sa akin. Guys, welcome back to our channel. Alas 5 na. Fresh ka pa ba? Ako hindi na guys. Grabe nakapanos. Kakatapos ko lang mag-work and now as usual, Tuesday, sa Paris in the childcare, pipick upin na natin siya. Ako lang mag-isa yung pipick up sa kanya kasi hindi pwedeng makasama si Daddy Mike, which is very annoying. Pero mabuti na rin siguro yung ganun para naman makapagluto na si Daddy Mike ng ating hapunan. Actually, nandun siya sa, ngayon, sa, tawag dito, nagsha-shower siya. But before siya nag-shower, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Pinasok na niya yung, yung aming hapunan sa oven. Ayan. Oh, smells so good. So, we're having roast pork tonight. And update sa ating bulaklak. Nandito. No, I'm not talking to you, Daddy. Ayan. Yung iba ay nalalanta na talaga siya. Tingnan nyo. Kuyot pas lubot. Ayan. Madagdag na siya. But yung iba, very fresh pa talaga. Oh. Diba, matagal na to siya. Birthday ni Daddy Mike, that was 27th of July. So, it's been 2 weeks. Yung mga flowers na to, buhay na buhay pa talaga. Very worth it. Alis na tayo, guys. Magpapaalam lang tayo kay Daddy Mike. See you, Daddy!
Salamat.
Daddy, nag-shower si Daddy Mike natin. Fresh na fresh! Si Mommy ay panos, ang Daddy ay fresh. Hindi natin pwedeng kalimutan ang ating jacket because outside is very cold. And gagamitin natin today itong bigay sa akin ng boss ko na mask. I really like this one, guys. Sobrang fit siya sa akin ba? Diba? Love it. Oh my God, guys, it is freezing outside. Hala, pero nakalagay sa sasakyan ko, 14 degrees daw. But I don't think, baka kung mali akong sakyanan guys, ingan 14 degrees, but it feels like 2 degrees outside. Anyways, alis na tayo guys. I will see you again very soon. Say hi friends. Hi friends.
Hi, Fred.
It's just very dirty ang ating baby guys, oh. Oh, your shoes, your boots dirty too? Huh?
Clean up.
Yes.
Clean water.
Put your jacket on because it's cold. Are you drinking your water? Ooh. I miss you, sweetheart.
Eating stickers. Eating sticker.
Eating cigar. Eating sugar.
Smarty. Smarty.
Smarty.
Smarty.
Wash your hands.
Okay.
Okay. Wash your hands now.
Yes.
Put it in your bag. Good girl. Here, can you reach it? Good girl.
Feet.
Yes.
I see.
Do it quickly. Are you okay? Is it too hard?
Sit down.
Are you done? Finished?
Oh, look. Sarah
It's Sarah Jane.
Jane.
Yes, Sarah Jane's cleaning. Say bye-bye, Sarah Jane. Doctor? Needs to go to the doctor. Jellyfish, Paris?
So,
It's gone, yeah? Winala nila. Meron jellyfish dyan before. Oh, kinuha nila. Oh, come na. Let's go. Because Daddy's waiting.
Close, para time.
Ano Dali na, ala. Nanay truck ka ron. Wait, Daddy is waiting na bagpas. Daddy's waiting. So like, where's Paris? Oh, ginaw.
Mommy, no parrot hand.
You wanna open it?
Yes.
No. You say, yes please, Mama.
It's with mommy.
Good girl.
Huh?
Is Daddy in the car?
There's cooking dinner.
Daddy cooking dinner.
Dad?
Wait a minute. Mama will open it. You go. Can you open it? You can do it. Come on. Come on, Paris.
My help.
Help. Why?
Help, mommy.
Is it hard? Is it hard?
My help.
How's your day, Nak? Did you have a good day?
Help, mommy.
Yeah, Mommy will help. Come on. Good girl. Come with her. Say hello.
Hello?
Anybody home?
Akin?
Nak, anybody home? Hey! You excited to see Daddy, Nak? Yeah!
Two studies?
Hello.
How was school, Baba?
Sergeant.
What did you do?
Sergeant McGonagall.
What did she say?
Sarah Jane goes to the doctor.
Did Sarah Jane go to the doctor?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Is she okay?
The sergeant's clean.
Sarah Jane's cleaning.
Ah, okay. And what about Paris? Did Paris play?
Press play the reading the book.
You're reading the book. And what else did you do? Did you ride the bike? Yes?
It smells so good, Daddy.
Right.
I spy.
Not you, the food.
Did you ride the orange?
Luto na ang ating dinner. Oh my God. Tingnan niyo. Oh, meron na naman tayong crunchy na skin. I'm very excited. Wow. What's that, Nak? Show Mama, babe. Show Mama, babe. Oh, that's the card from Mommy and Daddy. From Daddy's work.
Dude, it's prepared.
Yeah, so cute nila guys. Oh, ito yung card galing sa trabaho ni Mike.
it's her.
Nalaman nila na buntis ako.
It's hard.
It's a dog.
Dude,
Because it's year of the dog.
this is a good.
Daddy, was it year of the dog?
When?
When Paris was born?
Yeah, that was me.
Yeah.
Daddy!
Daddy, come babe, we'll read it, babe. So sweet mo na ko.
Mama.
Ito ang picture namin ni Daddy.
Mine.
Mine. That's Mama's.
No Paris.
It's Mama's.
No Paris.
It's Mama's. It's Mama's.
Mommy, you pee. It's prepared.
Yeah, you were in Mama's tummy then. There, oh. Inside Mama's tummy.
Can I Paris?
Yeah.
Paris, tell me.
Yeah, in Mama's tummy.
Don't tell me it's a Paris. Tell me.
Yeah, you were in Mama's tummy. Now, can you remember, Nak, when you were in Mama's tummy?
Mommy.
Can you remember?
Paris.
Mommy, this is the dog. The dog?
It's a dog.
This is
It's a dog.
Mommy.
Mm-hmm. Our dinner is ready, guys. Tingnan nyo. Healthy tayo tonight. Meron tayong mga vegetables. And yung ating roast pork. And this is my favorite part. Hi, guys. It's now 7 o'clock ng gabi. And kakatapos lang naming mag-dinner. Oh, the dinner was so nice. Oh my God. Ang sarap-sarap ng crackles ng pork ba. Na-miss ko tuloy yung lechon ng papa ko. Alam niyo, yung trabaho pala ng papa ko sa Pilipinas, guys, is matadero, diba? But also, may business din siya na anong tawag dito? Kilala siya sa pagluluto ng lechon. Magaling yung papa ko tsaka yung kuya ko, guys, sa paglechon-lechon. So, if ever nasa Balingasag, endorsing mo niya. Hindi, pag nasa Balingasag kayo, and gusto nyo magpalechon, contact lang sa aking family. Kasi naglilechon sila, guys. Anyways, after dinner, ibig sabihin nun, guys, is maghugas na tayo ng pinggan. Hindi na natin papaabutin ng bukas, guys. And si Daddy Mike pala in Paris ay nanonood ng Blippi, kaya meron tayong time. And bibilisan ko na to siya kasi si Daddy Mike gustong mag-gym. And hindi kasi siya naka-gym kanina kasi sobrang busy sa trabaho. Kaya sabi niya mga 7 o'clock na lang siyang mag-gym. Guys, meron akong i-share sa inyo. Earlier today pala, nakatanggap ako ng tawag which made me very scared. Kasi may tumawag, numero lang yung lumabas sa phone ko. And then, normally hindi ko sinasagot yung mga tawag ng mga numbers lang, yung hindi talaga nakasave sa phone ko. But because it's weekday, naisip ko baka isa sa mga colleague ko yung tumatawag sa akin. Baka kailangan ako, baka kailangan ng tulong ko. Kaya sinagot ko. But nung sinagot ko yung tawag, dumiretso siya sa isang parang operator siya na babae ba. Tapos sabi na, this call is from blah 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 blah. And sinabi na meron daw kaso na naka-file para sa akin. So nung minensyon ng operator na may kaso nga daw para sa akin, yung heart ko ay parang nagbuto-buto na ba? Kasi natakot ako kasi, hindi naman sa natakot ako kasi meron akong kasalanan. Parang natakot ako kasi parang na-shock ako ba? Hindi ko kasi in-expect na makakatanggap ako ng tawag na ganun. And pinakinggan ko pa siya kasi gusto ko pang malaman more about doon sa tawag. But then sabi ni Daddy Mike na just turn it off kasi luckily si Mike ay nasa tabi ko kasi 'di ba we're working back to back. Kaya narinig niya yung tawag. Sabi niya just turn it off. So I turned it off straight away and I said to Daddy Mike like what's that all about? Sobrang natakot ako kasi akala ko totoong-totoo kasi yung operator ba, very totoong-totoo talaga magsalita. Tapos sabi ni Daddy Mike na scam daw yun. So I felt better nung sinabi ni Daddy Mike na scam daw yun. Kasi nakatanggap din daw si Daddy Mike ng tawag na ganun last week. Last week or 2 weeks ago. This time talaga na tawag, guys. And sinasabi nila na tumatawag sila from Australian Taxation Office. So yung tatawag nila na ATO dito sa Australia. Yun bang nagpa-process ng mga tax return. And then, yung ginawa ni Daddy Mike, just to make sure, tinawagan niya yung ATO office para i-double check kung ano nga ba talaga. Tapos sabi nila na that's a scam. Sila talaga yung nag-confirm na scam daw pala. Kasi ATO will never give you a call. And alam niyo guys, kasi kay Daddy Mike, medyo tinapos niya yung sa kanya kasi nga hindi niya alam na ganun pala. So yung sinabi pala guys, parang sinasabi na may dapat kang bayaran na ganito. Kung hindi mo babayaran ngayon, we will send the police para aristuhin ka, ganyan-ganyan. Normally siguro guys, yung mga older people, yung mga na-scam nila. Kasi minsan pag nasa old age ka na at hindi ka na makapag-isip ng mabuti tapos tinakot ka or something like that, parang bibigay ka. They were saying na may babayaran kang 20,000 at kung babayaran mo today, maybe we'll give it to you for 10,000. Ganun ba? Parang basta yung mga scam, mga tactics ng mga scammer ba? I was really scared guys kasi akala ko talaga na may kaso para sa akin ba? Pero sa isip ko naman, wala naman akong ginawang masama. I know I'm clean. Wala naman talaga akong ginawang droga or parang identity theft, yung mga ganun. Wala naman akong ginawang ganun. But yung initial na reaction ko talaga ay takot. Natakot talaga ako. Buti na lang nandun si Daddy Mike. Itong mga scammer na to, badagdag pa rin to sa virus. Alam nila na nagkaano na yung bundo ngayon. Scam pa rin. My Lord. Wala lang talagang magawa sa buhay yung mga scammers na ganyan guys. I feel so sorry para sa mga taong na biktima ng mga scam. Kaya ingat-ingat tayo. Anyways guys, at least alam ko na wala ang kaso para sa akin. I'm just gonna wash the dishes now guys para matapos na tayo. Ang ating baby girl oh, happy daddy daw, happy daddy. Para ma-spend natin yung time natin kay Paris after natin mahugas ng plato. I'll see you again very soon. Hi friends! It's now 10 o'clock ng gabi and ang ating baby girl ay nakatulog na. So after kung maghugas ng plato kanina, nag-shower kami ni baby Paris. And pagkalabas namin, si Paris, alam niyo yung feeling pag nakaligo kayo? Yung feel nyo na parang you're tired and you just wanna go to sleep. So, yun yung na-feel ni Baby Paris. So, nagdidi siya, tapos nakatulog na siya, guys. And ako, bumangon ako, of course, kasi kailangan natin i-end yung vlog natin. And also, kasi, tingnan nyo, ang aking buhok ay basa pa. Remember last time na nakatulog ako, nabasa ang aking buhok. Yung buhok ko, pagkagising ko sa umaga, parang wak-wak. Like, buhaghag na buhaghag siya ba? Kaya after ng vlog natin, ay idadry ko muna ang ating hair quickly. Gamit ang ating blow dry. Para naman, hindi na madaot ang ating buhok. Nadaot na daan. Mura naglanot. Oh, lupig pa yung lanot. But I just wanna say welcome sa ating mga bagong subscribers, and also maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa patuloy na pagsuporta ng ating channel. And also kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe sa ating channel, sana i-consider nyo nang mag-subscribe. And magsha-shoutout na tayo ngayon, guys. And first shoutout goes to Marie Therese Buhisan from Talakag, Bukidnon. Shout out to Liza P. And also, shout out daw sa kanyang anak na magbe-birthday ngayong 16th of August. Elixa Kate Caberte. Wow, that's a very nice name. Happy birthday sa'yo in advance. Shout out to Gloria Bustos, Mayan Lozada, and also to her boyfriend Jeffrey Scott. Shout out to Lisan Bansil, Elnora Grinja, and also, shout out daw sa kanyang birthday girl na si Shu Chang. Birthday daw sa Thursday, 13th of August. Oh my God, ang daming magbe-birthday ngayon sa August. Happy birthday sa inyong lahat. Shout out to Junaline Pulido. And also, shout out daw sa Inoho family sa Baliti, Linabo, Malay-Balay, Bukidnon. Oh my God. Silingan gid dinamo, guys, ang Baliti. Like, bata pa ko dyan ko sa Baliti, labay-labay ba. Shout out to Gladys Mandanhuyan. Shout out to Annabel Pahuwayan, Ritz Escape, Luhan Pasadas, Ray Rufin from Palumpon, Leyte. Shout out to Daya Magallanes, Vanji Gamao, watching from Manila. Shout out to Spy Team Fortress 2. Shout out to Willie Corpus and family from Olongapo City. Hello sa inyong lahat dyan. Shout out to Josie's Labrador, Bing Bernal, Lorna Gonzaga, Marilyn De Jesus from Capas Tarlac, Susing Sales. Shout out to Manilyn Austero, Victoria's Secret Live TV, Ethel Joy Kipit, Felina Rodriguez, Lexron Gem, Everett Suta 53, Rona Del Rio, Rose Lumeran, Arlene Hoover, Rosemary La Rosa. Shout out to Bernadette Tulagan from San Pedro, Laguna. Shout out to Joanne Ambe, Richie Lee Civil, Lynn Simple Love, Mary Jane Encina, Lyra Belenzo, Diana Jane Bravo, Alexis Almendros, Cherry May Ongayo, Mary Ann de Guzman, Victoria Baptista, Fe Guarnes, Maribel Patiag, Marcos Santos, Angeli Astrid Pontillas, May Gao, Sharon Ando, Regan Olesco, Carmelita Kicho, Jojo, Trisha Joy Ibias, Janet Gordon, Helen Abiertas, La Arnie TV, Carla Mi Arias, Catalina Mempin, Chanting Tech, Mariel Cadiz, Rosalita Araez, Tess Arellano, Geraldine Reyes, Elisa Samiliano, and Chari Tamayo. That's about it for today's video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye! Mwah!